What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on 2007 Toyota Tacoma. So this vehicle came in with a complaint. The AC system got a problem. It doesn't work at all. That's from the vehicle owner. Let confirm the customer complaint. First, you see, we have to start the engine. Okay, the engine running right now, so we turn the AC on. Look like I don't feel the airflow at all from the vent. Right now we check on phase, as you can see right here on phase, and on the medium 2 put in high. As you can hear in the video, no blower motor at all. I think you let me find something and you can see, like now I use the paper. Yeah, as you can see, put in here, no blow at all. Let me blow by my mouth and you can see the paper easy to go like this, but you can see right now no air at all. So let's check on. Yep, we have the AC indicator. I heard it's an RPM is changing a little bit. I believe out there under the hood the AC compressor is closed and engaged and working, but we check it out about that for later. It's not right now. Right now, confirm the customer complaint. The AC blower motors stop working at all. So we have to check right at the air blower motor and see what's going on. First, sorry for flare. So as you can see, we go for heating and air conditioning. See, we can go to the wiring diagram. As you can see on this model, you use the air conditioning menu circuit. We click on the menu circuits. As you can see here, the wiring diagram, we look for where the AC blower motor. Let me see. What's mine? Yeah, right here. Let me zoom in, and you guys, as you can see on the first page. Yeah, we have here, guys, the blower motor. What the heck? I don't know. Yeah, you can see the blower motors, it below right side of the dash in blower motor housing. Okay, you guys see we have the power supply for this motor is one wire is black and yellow stripe, and another wire is white and blue stripe. Okay, let me follow the first wire on the left side here, the blue and yellow. Yep, this wire is the power feed for the motor. So where the motor lower resistor. We follow another wires, the white and blue. As you can see, the lower motor resistor is right side of the dash. As you can see, inside the motor resistor has some resistor in here, and also have the fuel built in it, and where the switch function this blower motor. So right here, as you can see, first we follow the wire on the switch. Oh shit. Yeah, this wire, guys. Yeah, it came out here white and black. Okay, as you can see, these wires connect to the ground, right here. Okay, anyway, yep, on this model, the switch function on the ground side. Okay, keep in mind that we always to do the easiest step first. For me, I check direct to the motor itself. See, when we have the AC blower motor switch on, we have the power here, we have the ground here, and we check for the motor itself. As you can see, under the right side of dash, the blower motor here, we have the connector here, like you see one wire with white and blue stripe. Another one seems to be hard to see in the video. Yes, something. Yeah, black and yellow. Yep. Okay, we have 2 wires for sure. And as you can see, the motor resistor right there, we have 4 wires coming to the connector. But for now, I don't need to know what wire color for. Like I say, I will check on the motor itself and the power supply to the motor first. Easiest step. If everything here okay, I will go further and check on the wire color on the resistor and check for the resistor itself. Okay, let me set up the camera. I don't need to hold the camera, and then let you guys see how to tap on this. Okay guys, right now the key up, the AC blower motor switched up, so I used it 2 to check for circuit. So like the 2 already hooked up to the battery. As you can see, 12.7 right now, good battery. Okay, as you can see, first thing, we need to disconnect the electrical connector to the motor. Hopefully it's easy. Some connector stuck. Yeah, okay. As you can see on the wire here, now easy for you guys see that black and yellow stripe and white and blue. So again, right now the key off and lower motor switch off. So I would like to see on each wire telling me something, at least a reading ground or some reading even the 0 voltage right here, because in this step I will check for the wire continuity. Yeah, as you can see on the first wire, white and blue is reading ground. And the second wire also reading ground. Okay, the reason I do this, let you guys see, like on the wire, I have the wire here, as you can see, it no connect to anything, right? And like I check on one end, the same thing, another end the same. You have two ends right here, you guys. If you cut the two in here, this wire, the reason why I test it, because it's open right now and no any end connect to anything, right? Like you can see right here, check on this end, something like this end. Yep, on the tool with no reading at all because it open circuit. So let me hook up one end to the ground, and as you can see right now, we have the continuity to the body ground. Maybe see, that's the reason why I check for the continuity, wire continuity on here. Yep, ground and ground. So when I turn on the key and the AC blower motor switch on, I want to see one power right here or not. Let me turn on the key. Yep, the key on right now. As you can hear the tone of beam. And let me turn to high level on the blower motor. What I would like to see here, this would be one power or nothing. Yep, big wire is still reading ground. Yep, another one reading 12.4 volt power. So in the case, as you can see, the black and straight in the wiring diagram, it says the power feed. What I would like to do, I put this in here on the ground wire. Okay, it did pin connect to the wire. Okay, that means I have this slot is now continuity with this guy. Okay, so I have here the tether. Okay, the tether on my hand, the headlight. Okay, and also I have this, also the headlight. For me, you guys work on car, on electrical, you guys should have both this and the headlight. The reason why we have both, because the headlight is just draw like milliampere. It's not too high amp draw from the circuit, but this guy will draw higher. So first, I don't use it to test at all on the circuit here. As you can see, I can connect the ground to this guy. Okay, now I connect the ground to the headlight. Okay, and another end I put in here to check for the circuit. As you can see right now, the headlight is light up. Okay, right now the switch in high position. I go back to the medium high and medium 1 now, and low now, and then up. Okay, and then low, and medium 1, medium high, and high. When it's in high position, that means electricity go direct to the motor. It not go into the resistor at all. That's why it makes the motor work with all power. Okay, as you can see, when I turn the switch on any position, you don't see the headlight change the light at all. That's the reason why I test this for you guys. See, when you guys use the headlight to test for the circuits on the resistor and use another light, see how it changed. Okay, let me go back to off. Okay, off now. Okay, so I disconnect the headlight. I don't use the headlight at all. So now I use this light. Okay, as you can see right now, the switch in off position. So make sure a good connection here, and then let me turn on the low. Yep, you can see the low position, how I pry up. And then now medium one. So now medium two. So now high. Okay, this is the direct circuit, guys, on high position on the switch. Okay, back to medium 2 and medium 1, and then low, and then up. Okay, low again, medium 1, medium 2, and high. So we have no question about that. And this vehicle needs the new blower motor. So let me set up the voltmeter. Hopefully you guys see in the video. It's hard for me. Okay, anyway, I try to yeah, I put in ohm right now. Yep, ohm readings right now. Okay, let me touch in. It's hard for me one hand, guys. Okay, hopefully it's safe. Okay, let me check for the motor resistor resisting and see. Okay, the meter on auto mode right now, guys, and as you can see, okay, this motor is very high resistance. It cannot work no more. Okay, we'll need a new blower motor for this vehicle. Okay, and before we call the customer to replace the blower motor, let me show you guys, check for the system, something else, because we cannot call, hey, you need the new blower motor, blah blah blah, and then after that we say, hey, now you need the AC compressor, hey, now you need this, you need that at all. Alright, let me check something else, let you guys see that. Okay guys, back in the car. So put every electrical tool back. Now we don't need to check for the circuit, electrical, anything. So anyway, back to tell you something else we need to check before we call the customer. So we start the engine. As you can see, the engine running right now. So for now, if you crack the AC, you don't have anything. Why? Because the blower motor in off position right now. So we have to at least in low or some level here. Okay, right now we have the AC compressor on. The AC on right now, and back under the hood and check for the AC compressor. As you can see the AC compressor is down there. I don't know if you guys see in the video. Use the lights. As you can see in the video, the AC compressor engaged right now. I don't know if you guys see or not. Down there engaged anyway. You believe what I say in the video. So that means the AC compressor is working now. And now it's time for check for the AC work. There you can see. Let me put the sorry for flare. Yeah. Right now 32 degrees. It's cold outside. Okay. Alright, as you can see, the low pressure hose. Let me measure on it. As you can see, the temperature drops to 25 right now. What about on the engine? Yeah, on the engine, as you can see, on the engine, on the valve cover, common chain cover is 92 degrees right now, and on the hose, both side hose, got the way you check for the AC system before, make sure everything works before call the customer. Okay, in this vehicle for sure we just need the new blower motor. Okay guys, I have here the lifetime warranty new blower motor. Let's put it in and see how the vehicle owner happy. Okay guys, before I put it in, I will do this, let you guys see that I will measure the resistance on the new motors to compare to the old one. As earlier you guys can see 1 mega ohm, something like that. It's very high. Okay, on the new one, yeah, you can see that only for, sorry for flare, it said only what the, yeah, 7 point something ohm. Okay, that's a good reading. All right, let's put it in. Okay guys, already have the old blower motor removed, easy to remove. It's only 3 5.5 millimeters screw, and just lose them. Just the plastic screw, it's easy, not too much torque, and then drop it up. Took it out here and already have a new one installed, and all electrical connector or the clip on the harness, put it back on in place, the connector put in. So now let's check it out, see how it works. Okay, back in the car, and then get the key on. Yeah, as you can see, the key on right now. That's it for testing the blower motor. I don't need the engine run for now. So let's turn on the low. Yep, I heard the motor running. It seems to be, let's see. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's low right now. Yeah, low right now. See? Okay, put in the medium one. Yeah, you can see, low right now. Yep. Okay, put in the medium 2. As you can hear in the video, is the motor running right now. Yeah. And put in high. Yeah, I got it. Got it. Okay. So now I can read the motor running like that in high, and then I use start the engine. Okay. Okay, before I check for the AC, I can practice right now. Yep, the AC on, and I have the guide right here. As you can see right now, it's 80 degrees outside. Okay, let's put in here and see how. Yeah, you can see the temperature dropped right now. See that? Okay, drop. Sorry for flare. Yeah, it dropped down to let me push it down here. Okay, right now it's under 60 degrees. Let's check for a while, and then we can hold the engine RPM like around 2000 RPM. Let the fan pumping more, and then you can see right now we got some coal. Yep. Okay, that is supposed to be. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I will quick check for you guys, see what's going on with this vehicle, and now the problem is solved. So that's it for this video, and then thanks for watching. See you guys next time.